Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, my name is Tati. Welcome to TatyBeauty. Hope you guys like what you see. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of the TatyBeauty squad. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing another review video. I'm gonna be reviewing this Nicka K face primer oil. I already did a review about the Nicka primer oil the last time. I did a review on the Nicka K 24K Gold Primer Oil. I'm gonna be putting that link in the description box below if you haven't checked it out. So for today's video, I'm gonna be trying out this one because I want to know what is the difference between this one and this one, if they work the same or if they doesn't. If you guys are interested in knowing my first impression review on this face primer oil, please keep on watching. But first I'm gonna be applying it, and then I'm gonna tell you guys my first impression about this product primer oil. This primer oil review, I really like how this apply on my face. It doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel tacky, it feels really smooth and it applies so smoothly. The difference between these two products, this one the oil is really watery, and this one the oil is more thicker. This one is a mix of oil with gold glitter, and this one is a mix with oil and gold flake. If I had to choose one, I really like the oil to be a thicker consistency, so I choose this one between this one. So thank you so much for watching this first impression review on this Nicka K face primer oil. Hope you guys found this video helpful and you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of the TatyBeauty squad. As well, hit that campana, aka the bell, so you guys can be notified when I'm gonna be posting a new video. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I need your body, it's medicine. I stay with my dog, you gon' let us win. I only want you, she irrelevant. I buy you a ring if you let us in. I buy you a ring.